Today, we're making something truly special. Perfectly grilled salmon with a refreshing dill sauce. Perfect for a healthy dinner that looks as good as it tastes. Now, let's prepare the star of the show, the salmon. Wrap your cutting board with a layer of plastic food wrap. It keeps your board fresh and easy to clean. Using a sharp knife, carefully slice the fillet. Cut 2 fillets, each weighing about 150 grams or 2 inches wide. Alternatively, you can buy pre-sliced fillets that are ready to cook. Once the fillets are ready, it's time to season. Sprinkle each piece with a generous pinch of salt and a dash of pepper. Seasoning at this stage helps the flavors soak in beautifully. Set the fillets aside for now, and let's turn our attention to the second star of the show, the dill sauce. Take half of the fresh dill and lay it flat on your cutting board. Use a sharp knife to chop it finely. The smaller the pieces, the better they'll blend into our sauce. Next, slice half of a small onion, then chop the slices into fine pieces. Don't miss out on any new recipes. Please support me by liking this video and subscribing to my channel. I love you all. And finally, chop half a garlic clove into fine pieces. It's a small step, but it adds a big burst of flavor to our sauce. In a blender, combine our chopped dill, onion, and garlic. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Sprinkle in about a teaspoon of lemon zest. Finally, add a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. These simple seasonings will balance the flavors beautifully. Blend it all together until smooth. While blending, slowly drizzle in olive oil. This will give the sauce a silky texture. Divide the mixed sauce in half and add 1 portion to the bowl with 6 tablespoons or 80 grams of light sour cream, and the second half into another bowl to use as a coating for the salmon fillets. Mix sauce with sour cream to create our creamy dill topping. Then, take the prepared salmon fillets and brush them with the second half of the sauce. This step infuses the fish with vibrant, citrusy flavors. That pairs perfectly with its rich texture. Now, onto the air fryer. Brash the grill tray with vegetable oil. Place the fillets on the grill tray. Set the air fryer to fish mode at 340 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. This ensures the salmon stays moist and flaky. After 12 minutes, your salmon should be perfectly cooked and packed with flavor. And now, the best part. Place a salmon fillet on a plate alongside your favorite vegetables. Generously spoon the creamy dill sauce over the top, letting it cascade beautifully over the fish. And there you have it! It's perfect for a family dinner or even a special occasion. If you love this recipe, show your support by hitting like and subscribing. It means so much to me. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next episode.